So for the real drive pump belt, so that's this belt here, to tension this belt correctly, what we need to do is we need to use this nut and bolt to actually tension the belt. But before we do anything with this, what we need to do is loosen off this nut here. Once that's loose, we now unlock these two nuts. Now we use the top bolt nut to now tension it. Once the belt is tensioned, lock the bottom nut off. Once those two are locked off, now we just lock off this bottom nut. Once that's all done, the system is now correctly tensioned.